Hello, everybody. Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. I hope you are doing well in this time of panic in the markets. I will say, because right now we're looking at the stock market. This is the S&P 500 index. You can see the past 3 days has just been pure bloodshed. Uh, you can see each candle gapping down worse than the last. We can actually see here exactly how much percent. 8.43 in 3 trading days. That's Thursday, Friday, and today as Monday. Um, that's rare, very rare, especially when there's no large news coming out. It's not like COVID's coming back. It's not like monkeypox is taking over. It's just that people are starting to realize that normal everyday civilians are having a hard time paying for goods and services. Since inflation is through the roof, gas prices are through the roof. It's hard for people to go to work when they can't pay for gas. They can't pay for gas to get there. And if they miss a single paycheck, then they, go under on their mortgage. They can't pay the electricity bill. Groceries are even higher as well. So who knows if they're eating less just to save money, or, the reason would be to spend less. It's a whole disaster um, of unfortunate events, I would say, because the average person that was once not living a paycheck to paycheck is now. If they had 200 bucks a month free going into their investments, they can no longer afford that because of the rising cost of living. So with that comes panic in the markets. You could see SP 500 closed 3.8% in the red today. Other stocks have done worse. PayPal's down 7%, Visa 3.6%, Facebook. Now it's actually Meta. They have to update that. You can see down 6.5% or so. Square down 12%. And these aren't even the worst ones. These are just the ones I've been looking at recently. Google down 4.3%. You can see Target is now below when it dropped. You can see it dropped to 150, rebounded to 160 or so, now back down. We can see Apple at 131, lowest it's been since June of last year. So every single day within the last year that someone has bought Apple, they are now down. QQQ down 4.6%, the lowest it's been since, we can see here, August or November 2020, so a year and a half. What I'm trying to say is it's bad, and stocks aren't the only thing that's been affected. We could check out crypto. Oh, look, green. Now let's check Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin um, trading at the same price it was back in December of 2020, or we go even further, and it's coming close to the December 2017 high. Ethereum, on the other hand, under $1,200. You can see once the same price as January 2021, so a year and a half of gains erased, and now we are below the 2017-2018 high for Ethereum. So it's come all the way back, all the way up. It's coming all the way back down, and of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't the only victims here. We can see Ripple, SushiSwap, Solana, Matic, Chainlink, Phantom, Ethereum we talked about, Polkadot, Crypto.com coin below the ICO price on Coinbase. Bitcoin, once again, we talked about Avalanche, never been lower. Cardano, 48 cents, still a lot, still not doing terrible compared to the others. You can see it's just half off the lowest range before, when Avalanche is a quarter. You can see 15, 30, 45, 60, and Avalanche is trading at a quarter of 60, right? And Cardano is only trading half. So does Cardano have more room to go, or is Avalanche a better deal? It's hard to figure that out. And of course, Aave. But stocks are not doing good. What I would recommend is to start buying, because this downward spiral cannot last forever. We are in a bear market, if you would call it that. You can see on the year chart from the high to the low, we're down just almost 22%. And a bear market, of course, is 20%. So let me know what you think of the markets now. It is a scary time. A lot of people are losing a lot of money, and that's not the only thing. I'm sure people are going to start losing their jobs and maybe their mortgages if this continues. So hopefully the best turns out, but I'm trying to be an optimist here. It's kind of difficult with the way that people are living at this current moment, when they can barely afford groceries and gas because of the high flying prices. So that's the video, guys. I'm sorry that this happened. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we get some better news on Wednesday.